b square plus ab square, right? So 8 square equals to say o dash b square plus 6 square. So solve this. Therefore o dash b square equals to 64 minus 36, 28. O dash b root 28, that is 2 root 7. Therefore o dash is what then? Earlier 8 and this 2 root 7. So it is 8 plus 2 root 7 centimeters. If in exam value of root 7 is given, then you can solve this further, else stop here only. Next, in the given figure, AB and PQ intersect each other at M. If A and B are centers of the circle, then which of the following is true? PM equals to MQ, PM perpendicular to AB, then both A and B, and PQ equals to AB. Basically both A and B are true, because PM will always be perpendicular to AB and PM will be equal to MQ, right? Because just now we saw it in the first problem, but we'll prove that, not that difficult. Okay, in this figure what is given, we have to prove that PM equals to MQ and PQ perpendicular to AB. That's what we have to prove, right? In triangle PAB and QAB, PAB and QAB, these two triangles, AP equals to AQ and BP equals to BQ, radii. AB equals to AB, common side. Therefore triangle PAB congruent to triangle QAB by SSS test, right? Therefore angle PAB equal to angle QAB, CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, right? These two triangles, this and this, PAB and QAB, right? Next, in triangle PAM and QAM, see this, PAM and QAM. Now we are taking half angle, means earlier we had taken this full triangle, now we are taking half triangles. Okay, AP equals to AQ. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.